Hi everybody, welcome in. My name is Tara Heel, and over the next few minutes I'm going to lead you in a meditation that incorporates some mantra, some spoken and some even sung if you choose to join along. Also some affirmation and intention setting, and then in the whole meat of the meditation we'll work a lot with visualization, kind of where you're envisioning your breath landing in your body or around your body, just to help focus our attention with some of those tools in our toolbox. It'll be all guided, a few moments to breathe and explore these visualizations on your own. Make yourself comfortable, prop yourself up on something. I'm on a log, so you could find yourself a piece of driftwood or a couple pillows or blocks. You could even sit up against a wall, right? Or even lie down. So just make yourself comfortable to receive, and we'll begin. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Ganesha, Ganesha, Ganesha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Ganesha, Ganesha, Ganesha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Ganesha, Ganesha Namaha. Ganesha, Ganesha Namaha. And drink a big breath in. Open your mouth, big sigh of release out. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha is a mantra about the remover of obstacles. It could be a sound that you weren't expecting. I had a dog barking over here, or it could be a week that doesn't go as planned. Obstacles sometimes perceived and sometimes real. And a lot of our work is to tune into the very present moment so that we can simplify that feeling of chaos. So every moment tuning inward more and more and more. Om Gam Ganapataye. When I think of a lot of these mantras, it's not necessarily that we're all bowing down to a silly elephant, Ganesh, but more to find that piece of ourselves that doesn't perceive so many things as impossible, but more possible. Well, that was that mantra, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha, Ganesha. Possibility, limitless, and boundless. And that's our meditation today. If you haven't already, close your eyes. Tune into your breath the way it is at this very moment. Perhaps there's one end of the breath that gets shortchanged. You find a little more equanimity on the take and the give. Smooth and seamless and circular. And you might be noticing for the first time, at least today, the nature of the breath that feels and sounds even to your own ears a lot like ocean waves, a lot like what's behind me today. Imagine a breath that initiates at the very base of your pelvis. So imagine on the breath in that there's a little ball of light that travels up the front line of your body. So you're inhaling, little ball of light up the front line of you, top of the head. And the exhale as if it slides down the back of your skull, down the back of your neck, between your shoulder blades into your tailbone. And it'll go, of course, a little quicker than that as you trace. So the inhale up the front line of you. Imagine the exhale like it slides down the back of your body all the way to your tailbone, to the center of the earth, out the sit bones. Keep imagining that circular breath to pair with its circular nature. The inhale grazing and sliding up the front line of you. The exhale that slides down the back as if it could take anything you don't need with it. Breath in and out your nose with attention, with fluidity, steady stream. The inhale that moves up the front of the body, across your face, forehead. And the exhale down the back of the skull, neck, behind your heart, to the very base of the stem of your body. And you feel these beautiful loops of breath that move in a spiral, that move in a circle, the way the nature of the breath is. You might start to feel a little newer, a little fresher, as if these peeling away of layers is cleansing. Like you could peel away any dull layers. Last round like this. Stick with that visual. Even if you lose it, keep coming back. Keep inviting yourself back. Now we'll go the other direction, and I invite you to just notice the difference with that. Imagine a breath that slides up the back line of your body from your tailbone, up between your shoulder blades, the crown of your head, and down the front of your skull, your face, your jaw, to your throat, your chest, and kind of settles in the pit of the belly. That's at the bottom of your exhale. So now, of course, it will happen more fluidly. Imagine a breath that slides up the back line of you. The inhale and slides down the front line of you all the way to the seed of center, focused in like a bright light in the center of you. Up the back of the body, inhale. Exhale down the front of you, focusing all of your attention into this moment, into center. The back of you, down the front of you. And several more rounds to trace that loop of breath in the other direction. Notice how the visual informs your posture. How it informs the quality of your breath. How it softens your face. Still working with a breath that travels up the back line of you on the inhale to the very top of your shining skull. Travels down the front of you, your face, across your lips, across your throat, to the center of your chest and to the pit of the belly. Last round. Now take a breath in that you imagine is a smile that floods to your heart space. Let that go. And now imagining a smile to the space in the center of your skull. Breathe in there. Exhale. The whole body now. Fill and expand as if you are limitless. Soften your edges. And come back to awareness of center. Now quieter for me. Quieting the chatter of your own mind so you picture your mind more like a still pond. And any wave that comes crashing in, acknowledge and come back to the still pond. So much life beneath the surface. Now, waves of thought might come, and you let them go. Your ripples may come. You breathe them away. A full minute left here. Any chatter that arises, acknowledge the wave again and again. And then imagine that it dissipates back into the stillness of a glistening pond. A mind that is quieted, but a vitality that remains. Take a clearing breath in now, a deeper breath that feels enlivening and expansive. Awaken in your skin and breathe out with a sigh. Feel your shoulders soften. If it feels good to take a roll of your shoulders up, back and down, feel free to do so. You might set an intention now for the rest of your day. I love to set intentions in the form of what I call sankalpa, or what is called sankalpa, or more of an affirmation. So instead of an I wish to be patient, I wish to be courageous. Instead, it's an affirmation, so more of an I am, like embodying that feeling. Hopefully from this place of quiet, centeredness, one or two options come to you. Sometimes I am here is just enough. Consider anything that might be getting in the way of that state of being, that quality of being and showing up in your own skin and in your own life. In the name of purifying our perception and leaping through boundaries, across or over, under or through, One more round of Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. You can either listen or sing along. It sounds like this in terms of words, the Sanskrit. Om Gam Gana Pataye Namaha. Om Gam Gana Pataye Namaha. One more time spoken. Om Gam Gana Pataye Namaha. 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 Ganesha, Ganesha. Ganesha, Ganesha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Ganesha, Ganesha Namaha. Again. Ganesha, Ganesha Namaha. Ganesha, Ganesha Namaha. Now together one Om. So it really Om is Ah, O, all put together in one syllable. Make a joyful noise with me now. Deep breath in. May you be peaceful, may you be happy, may you feel free. Have a beautiful day. If you need a moment longer to sit, of course take it. But it's such a pleasure to join you on the mat. Namaste.